What is HER2 and triple-negative breast cancer, TNBC? Imagine a tiny protein that can influence how fast breast cancer grows. That protein is called HER2, or human epidermal growth factor receptor 2. It sits on the surface of some breast cancer cells and can tell them to grow and divide more quickly. When a cancer has too much HER2, it tends to be more aggressive, but it also opens up options for targeted treatments that specifically attack HER2. These treatments have helped many women with HER2-positive breast cancer to improve their outcomes. Now, in the case of triple-negative breast cancer, things are quite different. The term triple-negative means the cancer cells do not have estrogen receptors, progesterone receptors, or HER2 proteins on their surface. This is important because it means the cancer does not respond to hormonal therapies or HER2-targeted treatments. In triple-negative breast cancer, the HER2 protein is not overexpressed or amplified, which means the cells do not have excess HER2. They test negative for HER2 protein and gene amplification, making this type of breast cancer distinct from HER2-positive cancers. Because HER2 is absent or present at normal levels in triple-negative breast cancer, treatments that target HER2 are not effective here. Instead, doctors relying on other therapies like chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or clinical trials exploring new options. The absence of HER2 also means that triple-negative breast cancer can sometimes grow more quickly and be more challenging to treat compared to other types that have specific targets. From a biological point of view, HER2 is a growth factor receptor involved in cell proliferation. When it is overactive, it drives rapid tumor growth. But in triple-negative breast cancer, since HER2 is not overexpressed, other pathways are responsible for the cancer's growth and spread. This makes managing triple-negative breast cancer more complex, as it lacks the specific targets that work well in other breast cancer subtypes. To sum up, HER2 in triple-negative breast cancer means that the cancer cells do not have high levels of this growth-promoting protein. This characteristic is what sets triple-negative breast cancer apart from HER2-positive types and influences how it is treated. It also explains why triple-negative breast cancer can be more aggressive and why researchers are continually working to find new targeted therapies for this challenging form of breast cancer. Always remember, if you or someone you know is dealing with breast cancer, it is essential to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options based on the specific characteristics of the cancer.